This second element is represented by the wealth or money luck. Second element. The second element that we will talk about is the fire element. Etong fire element, mostly represented siya by the colors red, purple, pink, and fire element in 2025, may nakikita rin talaga tayong shortage ng fire element. In business, ano ba yung mga fire element industries? Number one, of course, it's the entertainment industry. Second, stock market. Third, mga restaurants, lighting business. Also, nakikita rin natin na hindi pa ganun ka-stable yung stock market. And still, very competitive pa rin yung market ng fire. Ano pa bang ibig sabihin ng fire? This is related to blood. Kaya gusto ko mag-ingat yung mga tao, lalo na very prone yung health nila na related to blood. Ngayong taon, magkakaroon talaga ng shortage in terms of mga donations, sa mga dugo, or tataas, magha-hype yung mga sakit na related to blood. So please take good care of your health, lalo na kung related siya sa blood. This second element is represented by the wealth or money luck. Siguro ito na yung hinihintay ng marami, kaya lang may shortage siya ngayong taon. Please check your chart kung good element mo ang fire element. Watch out for the next 3 more elements.